your iPhone camera looks weird, blurry, or colors look off like this, don't worry, here's how to reset your iPhone camera settings and fix camera issues first on your iPhone 17 Pro Max quick and easy way. So as you can see, there's no direct option inside the camera app to reset your camera settings. Even if you go to settings then camera, you will find many options but not a default reset button. So here's what you need to do, just back from here and from your settings then general, and here you have to scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on it, then choose reset and just select reset all settings. Don't worry, this won't erase any of your important data, it will only reset your customized settings including your camera preference. And that's it. Now open up your camera app, everything back to default and working perfectly again. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.